Welcome to Schake Industries, your trusted partner for all your silo and tank needs. At Schake Industries, we take pride in our expertise in manufacturing industry-leading silos and tanks. Our spiral aluminum silos are meticulously designed and constructed to provide you with an unrivaled storage solution. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, our silos offer a range of advantages that set them apart from traditional storage options. By utilizing aluminum, we eliminate concerns of rusting, flaking, or other issues associated with traditional steel silos. This translates to lower maintenance costs and greater peace of mind for you. We understand that each business has unique requirements. That's why we offer a range of customization options to tailor our silos to your specific needs. From size and capacity to additional features and accessories, we work closely with you to ensure the perfect solution. We go beyond product manufacturing. Our comprehensive range of services includes silo delivery and installation, repair, cleaning, relocation, maintenance, and more. So whether you're embarking on a small-scale venture or a large-scale project, trust Schake Industries to deliver unparalleled quality and service every step of the way. Honesty, integrity, commitment, and quality are the keystones of our company culture. Our skilled and friendly employees are dedicated to delivering exceptional products and services tailored to your needs. Contact us today and let us be your partner for success.